Hello and welcome to the trade setup. Today we are looking at ARM and we completed a first wave 1 to the upside in 3 waves in A, B, C. And yeah, unfortunately, besides the fact that this chart has a very short history and it needs to prove itself, it also completed a 3-wave move to the upside, which can make us question the credibility of continuation to the upside, but still we have formed an A, B, C afterwards, completing the wave 2 most likely. It is possible, I want to mention, that we are still in the wave 2 and have completed only an A wave down here, after which we completed a B wave to the upside, possibly here, since we did react to the 88.7% extension, a possible target for a wave B, and then we would now be in the C wave to the downside. But for now, we can track this move to the upside, and very similarly looking to the AMD chart, this move can be tracked as a 5-wave move in wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It can also be counted as an ABC, and of course, most moves, if you really look for it, you can count as an ABC, but we have to track probabilities here. And considering this being the top of the third wave in this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we do even reach the 138.2% extension, which further increases the likelihood that we did form a 5-wave move to the upside. And for that, I can provide you with the support zone for a wave 2 setup that we can track to take us higher after reaching the support zone. And this is a zone where the probabilities suggest that with higher likelihood than normal, we can see a reversal to the upside and form a new high based on this setup. Now, I also want to add on the chart a tracking count for a 5-wave move. Considering this is a wave 1, we would expect the next move to the upside to be a 3rd wave, and that would also be in an ABC due to the fact that the first wave was an ABC move to the upside, and that would be a diagonal pattern. But in that 3rd wave, we would first start tracking the A wave, which can be either a 3-wave move in A, B, C, completing the A wave, and then we would have another 3-wave move in wave B, and then we would have a 5-wave move in wave C to the upside, completing the 3rd wave. Now, the alternative for continued upside directly here, considering this is not a wave 1 instead, but it is a wave A, we can have an A, B, C, and in this C wave, we have a 5-wave move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Regardless of the actual count, the actual whatever outcome it may be, we still have this 1-2 setup, which would still or should still play out in all of these scenarios. And we can track better what to look out for and where we need to be cautious after we complete these next 2 moves, the 2nd wave and the 3rd wave. That's when we need to be more careful about what is to come, okay? But for now, looking at this move, we can count pretty nicely a 5-wave move, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we are now looking for a 3-wave move to the downside that should take us into the support zone between around $127 down to around $94. So yeah, this is the support zone, this is the trade setup. I hope you enjoyed the video and found it useful. If you did, don't forget to subscribe and let me know what else you want me to cover, and I hope to see you in the next videos. Bye bye.